Hey YouTube, you're mucking around with Mick, and today's video is going to be on making a very simplistic, easy summer drink that some people say is the best summer drink. It's most refreshing on a hot summer day. So today we're going to make a gin and tonic. The players today are going to be gin, some tonic water, a slice of lime, and some ice. So let's get at her. So before we start, if you can find yourself one of these beer mugs, I don't know if it's a standard mug, we have them around here. What I like to do is ice cubes, 3 of them. Just straight up 3 ice cubes. And then we add our gin. And I take the gin to this very first line. I don't know how much that is. The reason for that being is tonic. When you pour it in, the whole can fills it right to the top. Yeah, it's a perfect measurement. Now, trusty knife, a lime wedge, spritz it in there, and now for the taste. On a hot summer day on the west coast of BC, this is it. This is a good drink. So also remember, drink responsibly and don't drink and drive. Other than that, happy summer.